Functions. MS Excel provides many predefined expressions to perform a specific task called functions. They accept arguments and return a value is equal to sum brackets A1 is to A10. In the above example, refers equal to sign. Sum is name of the function. A1 is to A10 is or are arguments. Let's understand it with an example. Enter the values from A1 to A10 as shown in the image. When we enter the formula as is equal to sum A1 is to A10 in cell A11, the output is 55. 55 is the sum of all the values in cells A1 to A10, as we have selected cell range from A1 to A10. Some functions are used for performing simple calculations, such as sum, average, or finding maximum or minimum numbers in the given range of cells. Whereas, some functions are used for performing complex calculations and are the combination of various compound formulae. Points to remember while entering a function. All functions must begin with equal to sign. Function name must be a valid name, for example, sum, average, etc. Function name must be followed by opening and closing parentheses. Parentheses must contain arguments within it.